I want to show you how to create section views. So when you're drafting, you're going to have your normal orthographic views, but you can always replace one or several of them with section views. We have three main types of section views, and I'll show you those and how to create them in this video. So first I'm going to place a front view of the object, showing it on the cylindrical side. Where it has the circular face showing. Just go through a little bit of housekeeping, hiding the horizontal and vertical axes, changing the properties to where it shows the hidden and center lines, and making sure that the scale is a little bit smaller so that it'll fit on the page. So once we have our first view, then the next thing that we're going to do is actually select into the section view icon. Now there's two main types of section views. We can have a straight through full section view, as we'll do here. And then you also have the align section view. That is a second set of options. But before we progress onto that one, I want to show you how to do a half section view. And all you're going to do here is select, go halfway through your object, and then go 90 degrees in the opposite direction. Click to enter, and then place your view. And so both of those are done with the standard section view tool. But then the second tool in that set is going to be the align section view. For the align section view, you'll place your first point and then the second point in the middle, and then you'll go through the middle of your object that is not necessarily on the straight line. So it's going to be a curved. And this way it aligns throughout the portion that's cut. So you'll have both of those holes showing in the section view. So while those holes aren't directly across from each other, it can be a little misleading, but it shows you clearly where that cut line is and where the projection is placed from. Now, there are two other options for section views, and those are actually section cuts. They work exactly the same way as creating your section views. The only difference there is that instead of showing the material that happens behind the cut line, it will just remove those visible lines. So it wouldn't show the material that's behind the section cut portion. And that's an overview of the three main types of section views and how to create them in CATIA.